ahead at the traffic lights. The black car ahead of you, where is he going?
He's turning.
Okay.
But he's not probably turning right because we cannot turn there as well. So he's turning left.
He's turning to his left or to his right?
He's right. Sorry, yeah.
His right, yeah? Okay.
Oh, remembered.
And that's why it's important to keep on your side of the road.
Temporary light.
Continue going ahead at the traffic lights.